So here we are in a little ensuite and a little bit of patching up to do. Electricians took an event out or something, and then there's a light that should be there, or something had gone on. I was just told push everything through, just patch the whole ceiling up and skim it, which is what I'm going to do. And as for this little bit of edging, there's a boxing in going there, but there's nothing for them to sort of get to except the edge. So I'm going to put a 2-inch strip of plasterboard all the way down there. So when they build the boxing, they're not governed by the tight edge of that sort of rail there, which is going to make things hard. And in that, that electrical conduit thing, that sort of light strip, I'm going to stick some of this draft excluder into it. So when I pull it out, the plaster will come out clean. Bit of a rough job, to be honest. I mean, look at that, like electricians cut that. I mean, I did undo it a little bit and try and shift it over, but I'm not there to put electricians work right, that's for sure. A little bit downstairs in this sort of little bit of lounge, the girl there seemed to think that the previous people seemed to have a cup of coffee there and had all tiles on the wall, which is a weird old thing really. So I said to her, I'll just sort it out. So I gave it a spray with some water first. Sometimes you can spray this old tile adhesive and it will soak into it and it will bring it back to life, so you can scrape it off fairly easy without damaging the wall too much. So always worth a try if you've got to get rid of adhesive. Just give it a soak with some water, even get a little steam on it. And if it's the easier sort of adhesive, it will come back to life. So that's that all patched up. Now we're going at the top of the shop. A little 3-storey house, this one. I think the girl's not long moved in, so it's a little bit of a mess, but they're getting through it. So someone I know is doing the bathroom. That's why I've been called out to there. So we're up here now. And what part of this is it? I think I've skimmed it by now, have I? Yeah, so that's all skimmed now. That's all done. Nice little job there. That's that light tracking, all good. The draft excluder worked well. Just blasted over it and pulled it out. I didn't stick the draft excluder in. I didn't pick the tape off the back and actually stick it. I just wedged it in. So there's me now, trailing it up. I'm going to pull a nice silly face for you in a minute. Right, back at home now in my little man shed, reliving my youth. Look at this, I bought a couple of posters the other day for this lot. Let me turn you around. Bought a Spider-Man poster, brings me back to my childhood when I used to read all the Marvel comics. And then a little South Park poster, because I like a bit of South Park, it does make me laugh. Little chair in there, little man shed, little weights, little gym bench, and my telly. And of course it's Brucey. Anyway, I'm off to Suffolk for the weekend now, so I shall be back to work Tuesday, so I may put a video out Tuesday evening. But until then, remember, life is the name of the game, and I want to play the game with you.